flower-type plants in Grow a Garden. The phrase, grow a garden, often brings to mind a mix of vegetables, herbs, and shrubs, but at the heart of almost every garden are flowers. They provide color, fragrance, and life, turning simple spaces into places of joy. Flower-type plants are incredibly diverse, ranging from tiny ground covers to tall, dramatic blooms. Choosing the right flowers for a garden is as much about creativity as it is about knowledge. Annual flowers are among the most popular choices for home gardens. Because they live only one season, they pour their energy into producing abundant blooms. Marigolds, petunias, zinnias, and cosmos fill gardens with color for months on end. Their short life cycle means you can change the look of your garden each year, experimenting with new colors and varieties. Perennials are the long-term residents of the garden. Plants like roses, daylilies, lavender, and coneflowers return year after year, establishing roots that grow stronger with time. While they may not bloom as continuously as annuals, they provide reliability and structure, becoming the backbone of flower gardens. Biennials are another interesting group. These plants, such as foxgloves and hollyhocks, spend their first year growing leaves and roots, then bloom in their second year before dying. Though they take patience, the rewards are spectacular when their tall spires of blossoms appear. Bulb flowers add seasonal excitement. Tulips, daffodils, lilies, and hyacinths emerge from underground bulbs, often signaling the arrival of spring. Because bulbs store energy, they require little maintenance once planted, rewarding gardeners with dramatic displays year after year. Climbing flowers, such as clematis, morning glories, and climbing roses, bring vertical beauty. They cover trellises, fences, and walls, adding dimension to gardens that might otherwise feel flat. Hanging baskets and containers filled with trailing flowers like petunias or nasturtiums create cascades of color that brighten patios and balconies. Wildflowers deserve special mention too. Plants like black-eyed Susans, coreopsis, and wild lupins are hardy, low-maintenance, and attract pollinators. A patch of wildflowers not only looks natural and free but also supports bees, butterflies, and birds, creating a living ecosystem within the garden. Scent is another factor in choosing flower-type plants. Gardeners often plant fragrant species such as jasmine, gardenias, or lilies near walkways or windows where their perfume can be enjoyed. Flowers appeal to more than just the eyes, they create an experience that touches all senses. In the world of flower gardening, variety is endless. Some people prefer bold, dramatic blooms that stand tall and draw attention, while others enjoy subtle ground covers that weave quietly around stones and pathways. Some flowers are chosen for their symbolism, like red roses for love or white lilies for purity. Others are chosen simply because they make the gardener smile. To grow a garden filled with flowers is to paint with nature's palette. Every choice, whether it is a daisy or a dahlia, a sunflower or a snapdragon, adds texture, color, and meaning. And while